Guess what, people? Somebody is at it again. I mean, out here getting it done on this beautiful Friday afternoon, Friday evening. I mean, she's reeled down on him. Don't think it's a big one. He just deep. We're fishing in 85 feet of water. This is the second one we've caught here in just about a matter of 45 minutes.
Second one on this same pole.
Same rod. Mama's getting it done. Wind's picking up. There's a lot of current. A lot of current. Back up here and get a view. Here's a view of what we got going on.
Here it comes.
There he is. All right. Mama getting it done. Let's get him in the boat.